some time ago I made an app. Let me just check the app. Okay, let me check the app. So 1 week ago I made an app. Today I'm gonna teach you how to make that app. So first we will go to Google, our Google Baba. So MIT, wait a second, is it lagging? So right here MIT App Inventor, not MIT App Inventor 2, MIT App Inventor. So you need to have a Google account for this to work, because if you don't have a Google account it won't work. Just look, when I create app it will as this. It's taking a lot of time to load. Like this it will come, and here it is. I choose this. I don't want to show my password to everyone. Okay, so start a new project. In my projects you will see empty page, but if you are doing, you will see an empty page. Come on, let me say YouTube, and that's it. Let's go. And you can't actually test it. If you want to test it, you need Codilar. Okay, I don't know why it's, yeah, here it is. So first we have the pattern, and next we have the viewer, which you can see, and in next one we have components, and after that we have properties. Let's go to our blocks. It's right over here in the top right. So we have the blocks here. If you want to tap this 3 times, nothing will happen. So here you can actually make the code, and I don't know what to say. So first let's make a color changing app. Actually it's hard to make in mobiles or tabs, because you can't actually post the image like that. You need to work very hard for that. In computer, just you could copy the image and paste here. Okay, so in the layout we have if you go to the layout, so first you will get this thing. Go to the layout and take the vertical arrangement. Drag the vertical arrangement into the screen, and the vertical arrangement is there now. Go to the height and click on the fill parent and play OK. It will come like this, and go to the, what happened? Yeah, and go to the width and make it also fill parent and OK again. So it will come to the full screen. So first I want a button. Just go here. And I want this button to be in the center. What I should do? Go to the vertical arrangement and center and center. Okay. So I don't want this button to say button 1 and look at this color gray. Don't want this. So go to the button 1 and the background color what you want. I want cyan, and I want this bold and font italic both also. Yeah, font bold and font italic is the best, I think. And you could go to width only, and you can actually make something. Like if you want to make it long, you could make it long. I don't want to make it long, it should be short for me. So let me just make this text. I want to make it CHANGE. Change me. Okay, change me. Okay, after you wrote it, you could actually make this center one right to, yeah, so this. And I don't want this shape to be square like. I want this like oval, want this like rounded, want this like rectangular. If you want to, can make it. So I want it in this rounded shape, and I will make the width 60 and 60. Okay, if I make 60, it will become a long one. So after you create this, go to the blocks and let's take the vertical arrangement. Click on the vertical arrangement, and if you see set vertical arrangement 1 dot background color 2, take that here and go to the bottom one. When do bottom one, click, drag the first one, and it should be an error like this. It should come into mark, then it is correct. So next we should go into colors and drag this to here. After you drag it, these both should be gone or else it will be wrong. Put this all into the dustbin and do this because it will take a lot of space. So go to math afterwards and take random integer from 1 to 100 like this and another like this. So what you should do next is place all this in this. That's why I told it will take a lot of space. Like look at this, it takes the whole screen. And what you should do is, where is 1, put 0 in there. Okay, and just make this one, make it 0. If you want to make it 1, place 0 and done. And where is 100? You should place 255. And here also 255. Wait a minute. Yeah. Let me just make it 255. 255. So I will show you why only 255 is needed. Let me open the Google Chrome for a minute. So we open up our Google Chrome and search RGB right here and go. Okay. Oh my goodness. If this didn't work, like RGB picker, if this also didn't work, let me write this. RGB color picker. This will come here. And the RGB means red, green, blue. And the maximum RGB is 255. For example, look at this. Maximum it goes is 255. Look, if I drag it more, it won't work. Look, the RGB max value is 255. And if I make it here, all 255, it will come to white. So, I just clicked something wrong. Okay, so let's go back to our MIT App Inventor. And we are back in our MIT App Inventor. After you do this, check it again if it is all correct. And if it is all correct, you can't actually click it and it will come right over here. Because this feature is not that good. It just open up like that. Actually, if you click, the color will not change actually. You need to go to build and In the last one, save APK to my computer. Press that. If you are doing it, wait, the build server is busy. What are you busy, man? Angry because of you. I will open up my YouTube and it should come. And my name is not Akash. Yeah, and the last one is for mobile and the first one is for computer. So do that. And it will take a lot of time again. Just waiting. I will pause this until it comes. Yeah, and it's 100%. The pop-up should come like this. This type of cam can harm your device. And click OK. Now, if you click open, yeah, I made it. It doesn't have a virus in it. I made this whole app, okay? And actually, if you want to delete it. I don't actually delete that much because it takes all of my MB like that only. So, you will have this in here. And when you click this, your app will come. And if you click it, it will change colors. That's how you make the app. 1 week ago, I made the same app. Now also I'm making the same app. And next, I will make a translating app and I will teach you next time how to make a translating app. So this took 12 minutes and thank you for watching. Bye bye.